Hello and welcome. So in this video, I'll be showing you all that you need to know about the JUPEB OMR sheet. So on my screen is a copy of the JUPEB OMR sheet. This is what it looks like, and I also have a copy of the front cover page of JUPEB biology question. This is what that also looks like. So you can imagine that, you can assume that I'm about to write JUPEB biology examination. So I'll come back to this front cover in a minute. So I'm back on my OMR sheet. So basically, you have on your OMR sheet there are some pre-shaded boxes and a and a box that is not pre-shaded, which is the option box here. So all that you need to do on this at this stage is to just check all the pre-shaded boxes and confirm if the details entered there are your details. For example, the JUPEB exam number, you check the number if it is your number, and then the name, you come to the box, the name box, you check the name if it is yours, and also check the subject that is shaded if it is the subject that you are writing, and then the institution code is also has been pre-shaded, so you really don't have to do anything there. So when you have confirmed that your details are correct, then you can then come to this option box to fill the question option that you are about to write. But before you do that, you will check the front cover of the question paper to check the option. So in my case, I have option B131. So I'm about to write biology option B131. So I'll come back to my OMR sheet and enter that the option that I just saw, which is B131. As you can see, I have written B131 and I have shaded B131. Let me zoom in a bit into that so that you can see what I just did. So it's a bit clear now. This is B131 and I have shaded B131. So once that is done, you are now ready to proceed to answering the question. So here, I will show you the correct and incorrect way to shade your OMR sheet. Now, let's assume I'll go back to my question paper and read question one. So let's assume I have read question one and my option is B. My correct answer is B. Then I shade in a way that is visible to the computer. Let me also zoom into that so that I can show you some example. So okay, so I have read question one and my correct answer is B. So I shade B in this manner. As you can see, I have already ticked B to show you that is the correct way to shade. Now, come to example two. If I read question two and my answer is A, I will not pick A by just striking through. As you can see that what I did in this number two is that I just struck through option A. This is a wrong way to shade. The computer will not be able to recognize the answer that you have shaded here. And then example three, assuming I have read the question and my correct answer is C, I will not just mark C because the computer will not be able to recognize that. And then question four, assuming I've also read question four and my correct answer is D, I will not just circle D because the computer will not be able to recognize that. And another wrong way to shade is by shading in such a way that uh, a option matches with another option. This is another wrong way to shade. So number one would be the correct way to shade. So I would also like you to note this barcodes on your left side of the OMR sheet. This barcode here is on the left side of the OMR sheet. It's also at the bottom. they are barcodes that contains computer programs that actually allows the computer to recognize your OMR sheet so that can give you the appropriate grade. So you don't allow anything to, you don't write on it and don't allow it to get rumpled. If there is a case where you need to cover your OMR sheet from probably cheaters, all you need to just do is just just turn your OMR sheet over in such a way that nobody can see it. Don't put your OMR sheet under your question such that when you are writing on your question is now showing on your OMR sheet. That is also not right. So with this, I have come to the end of this video, and I would like to show you a picture, a pictorial view of everything I have actually explained. This is actually going to be sent to us so that you can have a better understanding of what the OMR looks like. Just like everything I've explained is what has also been explained here. So I would like to thank you for your time, and I wish you the best of luck in your JUPEB examinations. Thank you.